How to change my Apple Music subscription from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. Over here, go to Subscriptions as shown. On this page, you can view your subscriptions and manage your payment details, plan upgrades, renewals and many more. Click on a subscription to view its details. For example, Apple Music subscription. If you want to change or cancel this subscription, then you can do it from here. You will also find other subscription suggestions below, such as Apple One subscription. Following these steps, you can easily change my Apple Music subscription from iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.